Good morning students and parents, and I welcome you all to Standard 2 drawing class. Now, students, can you see this picture? Yes, there are two pictures on the board. The first one is colored and the second one is uncolored. Now, today what we are going to do, students? Right, today we are going to color this picture. Okay? This picture is from your Art Express book volume 2, and the page number that you can find this picture is 23. Okay? So students, this picture is a scene of a forest. Now, what are forests? Can anyone tell me? Yes, forests are the big areas fully covered with different type of trees, plants and animals. Animals like tortoise. Can you see this? Tortoise, right? Rabbit. And there are lots of animals like snakes, etc. Okay? Now, students, to color this picture, I have used this crayon's color. You can use any crayon's color which is available with you at your home. Okay? Now, the shades that I have used to color this picture is brown, green, light green, dark green and black. Okay? Now let's start coloring this picture. Okay? So students, first we will color the top of the tree, right? Here I am using dark green shade to color the top of the tree. Okay? Now let's see here. Students, you have to be very careful when you are coloring the pictures. Okay? So students, as you can see, I am coloring it in one direction, right? Why? Because it looks even and neat. Okay? It looks even and neat. It looks attractive. Students, as you can see, there are many white portions in the drawing. Now, what to do? We will just color it once again to hide all the white patches here. Okay? Now let's see here. Can you see how carefully I am drawing it? I am coloring it. You should be evenly color every single portion of the drawing, okay? Of the picture. Can you see, students? Right. Now, let's color this part, okay? We have to always remember, we have to color the pictures very carefully so it doesn't go outside the line, okay? Outside this line. And we have to draw in a one particular direction to look very clean. Okay? We have to be very careful in the corners, right? We have to be very careful in the corners. All the white patches, we have to take care of all the white patches. We have to recolor the white patches, right? Yes. See here. Can you see? Right. Now, trees. You know what are the benefits of trees? Yes? Yes, trees gives us oxygen, food like fruits, vegetables, woods to burn, right? Very important. Trees are very important in our life. See how I have done in the corners? Can you see how I have colored in the corners of the tree? You have to be very careful. Okay. Color evenly. Clear? Color the picture evenly. And if you find any white patches, what you have to do? You just have to color it once again. You have to do very slowly when it comes to edges. You have to color slowly when it comes to the edges. Okay? The outer line. Don't rush or it will make your picture untidy and it will not look not good. Yeah? Now, as you can see how I have colored this picture, the top of the tree, right? Now, for the branches and for the trunks, we will use brown color. Okay? This brown color. Now, let's see here. Very slowly, very calmly, you have to draw. You have to color. Clear? In one direction only. Okay? See here how I have drawn here. Yes? You have to just color in one direction, students. You have to color in one direction. It will look very neat and clean. It will look very attractive. You can use different shades of green and brown. Okay, you can use different shades of green and brown. If you have it, do it. If you find any white patches, just color it once again. Okay? Now, here it is. See how nicely, how neat and clean it is looking, right? Yes. Now, see the second one. From the trunks of the trees or the branches of the trees, you know, we get lots of things like rubber, wood, timber. Yes? Right. Even our furnitures at our home is made of these trunks. Yes or no? Absolutely. Now, our trees are complete, right? Now, to color the bushes, I will use light green shade. Okay, students? Now, see here. Again, I am saying you have to be very careful while coloring, right? Very gentle and very careful when it comes to the edges. Okay? Can you see how I am drawing? You also have to draw like this. Clear, students? In one direction only. And if you are finding some white patches, what you have to do? You have to recolor it. Okay? Just recolor on the white patches. Now, we will do all these bushes similarly. Clear? We will similarly color all these bushes, right? So, students, as you can see, I have finished coloring the bushes. Now, we will color tortoise. Okay? And for coloring tortoise, we will use for shell brown color And for the head and toes, we will use dark green color. Okay, now let's see. This is very small place, students, so please be careful. Okay, while coloring, please be careful. Any white patches, recolor. Okay, for toes and the tail, we will use the same color, the dark green one. For the shell, we will use brown color. Okay, can you see here, students, how I have colored, right? If you find any white patches, just recolor it. It is looking very beautiful. Now it's time for pebbles, stones. We will use black color to color it. Okay? This is a black shade and we will color the pebbles, stones. Okay? See here. It is very easy, students. You just have to be careful. Okay? And after coloring this small stone, the picture is complete, right? Students, I hope you all have enjoyed drawing class. This picture is given in your Art Express book. Please practice. Thank you so much, students, and have a good day.